Hey people, so as of yesterday was a very eventful day for me simply since I was not well and I was like, basically whenever I'm not well also I like to binge read. So I was reading this book by Deepta Roy Chakravarti called Cursed at Kedarnath, and I can't tell you, yeah, like how exciting was this. I had Miss Deepta Roy Chakravarti herself. She's a mathematician from Delhi University, I think Lady Shriram it was, I think, but from the University of Delhi, and a degree in law from King's College London. She's been following my channel, yeah, can you believe it? I mean, it was like it's been the high point of my 36 years on this planet, I think, really, because so she reached out and she told me that she heard my review for her other book, and moment I received her message, I was like, I immediately got onto Amazon and ordered the other book of hers, which is the final book that I had not read. It's called Cursed at Kedarnath and Other Stories. My God, and of her three books, I found this to be the most spine tingling. So, basically, Cursed at Kedarnath and Other Stories, it's a whole spectrum of stories. And what I like about her writing is at the end of each story, Deepta ma'am writes about how research has, with regard to, there's this one story of a spirit who's spirit of a man who committed suicide, who connects with this little 14-year-old boy through a radio, because, and apparently the Thomas Alva Edison, in his time, he was creating a radio type instrument that could catch the energies of the spirits who crossed over or whatever, the from the other dimension. So this is one of the most well researched books on paranormal I have ever come across, and it's called Cursed at Kedarnath and Other Stories. And truly, people, if y'all are brave enough, you'll have to order this book because it is brilliant. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.